We're sitting here with Tim, and we did stem cell therapy on Tim's left knee about 6 weeks ago. We were just discussing some of the good results we've had. So, Tim, if you could just kind of share what you've experienced so far, that'd be great.
Yeah, I don't have the pain and stiffness like I did before. I used to have a pain driving even up from up the peninsula to Williamsburg that was like a knife in my knee, and that is all gone. I actually drove my daughter out to the middle of the country to college and had no problems whatsoever. And I can actually walk up and down stairs and not in agony anymore. My wife actually commented to me that I was walking straighter, and you could tell that I wasn't in pain when I walked.
Fantastic. So you said you think you're about 80% better, and you're happy so far. Is that right?
Yes,
all right.
Definitely.
Excellent. Is this something you'd recommend for others?
Yes.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much.
You bet.
All right.